The Sikkim Urban Garib Awas Yojana is the first fully state-sponsored urban housing scheme. The scheme will be aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals set forth by the United Nations, namely Goal 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities by providing affordable and safe housing to the urban poor. Goal 5, Gender Equality by allotment of housing flats in the name of the female head of the household. And Goal 3, Good Health and Well-being, providing well-designed individual houses and group housing. The scheme seeks 1. To supplement the Sikkim Garib Awas Yojana being implemented in the rural areas for collectively achieving the target of Kacha House Free State. 2. To enable the urban poor having ownership of land in the urban areas, access to adequate housing by means of construction of individual houses. 3. To ensure inclusion of the economically weaker section and low-income group families for access to adequate social housing. 4. To ensure a dignified shelter for the urban houseless households. The individual house construction is one of the verticals of the Sikkim Urban Garib Awas Yojana, whereby a house measuring 678.50 square feet at a cost of Rs 19.37 lakhs per unit will be constructed in the land of selected beneficiary. The house will have 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 toilet and 1 kitchen. An external staircase to the terrace has been provided to access any future incremental vertical extension in case the beneficiary intends to do so. The living room in the ground floor of the individual house can be altered into a shop which can be used to generate income. A total of 502 individual houses will be constructed in the 7 municipal areas of the state during the first phase of the scheme from 2021 to 2025. The social housing flat is another vertical of the Sikkim Urban Garib Awas Yojana, whereby a flat measuring 688 square feet at a cost of Rs 22 lakhs per unit will be allotted to the selected beneficiary on a long-term lease. The flat will have 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, 1 toilet and a balcony. A flat will be contained in a 5-storied building having a total of 10 flats in each building, which will be part of number of other buildings in the housing complex with allied physical and social infrastructure. A total of 260 flats will be constructed in the municipal areas of Gantok 150 units, Naya Bazar Jorthang 30 units and Gazing 80 units.